partition. Okay, see children, you already familiar with the term partition. Just now we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
completed,
Yes, ma'am.
about
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
partition of Bengal.
Freedom
Is it
struggle.
children?
Dividing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dividing,
Dividing a place.
dividing one country or area, an area into two parts. Okay, children, before that, let me ask you, see children, we have studied, okay, we have finished our portion about the first war of independence, 1857. Okay, the revolt of
Yes, ma'am.
1857, it is also known as first war of independence. Okay, and
Independence.
you know children, after that a series of events were happened, okay, in the course of Indian history, that the Indians were struggled against the Britishers. Okay, and the last chapter, okay, the last chapter we have discussed about the reformers.
Freedom
Okay.
struggle.
Yes, and freedom means fighters. Okay, freedom fighters, that is moderates and extremists. Okay, all
Social
these
commerce.
leaders, yes, all these leaders, okay, has tried to, okay, inspire the people, okay, and motivated Indians to fight against the Britishers. Okay, fight against the Britishers. Okay, and see children, the winning freedom. Okay, that chapter, it is not included in this year's syllabus. Okay, so but in that chapter, what was the content of that chapter? You know, children, it is,
How we win the freedom.
yes,
Yes, ma'am, I
How
know.
we get
how
the
we
independence.
win
Independence. About the independence.
or how we go
The freedom.
Okay, a series of events were there. Okay, if I get time, see children, after when we complete our portion, if we get our time, I will just go through this portion and I will explain to you. Okay, after when we
Ma'am,
complete
You
ma'am,
our,
I
will go
read
through
that.
the portion which is omitted.
yes,
I read that textbook.
oh,
You,
very good,
That
Sway.
first.
you will, ma'am, after that you will go through the portions which is omitted.
Yeah, after when our portions were completed. Okay, when we complete, after when we complete our portions, if we have enough time to discuss all this, I will I will discuss this content because it is very important. Okay, because it should be known by an Indian citizen. Okay, how Gandhiji arrived to the scene, and a series of events he has started
Yes, ma'am. The
against the Britishers. Okay,
Gandhi
the
making
Britishers,
Gandhi.
good dresses.
non-occupation movement, civil disobedience movement,
Not a
okay,
British
disobedience movement,
things and all.
Champaran Satyagraha. There were many events. Okay, that
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
is
Chauri
he
Chaura.
take
Chowri Chowra incident. Okay,
he
so
tell to
many.
British.
Hmm.
He tell to British, your products will be not here. Then British all go like that way sometime.
Okay, Quit India movement. Okay, Quit India movement. So many
Yes.
movements were there. Okay, to fight against the Britishers, and at last, in the year 1947, we have got independence from the Britishers. Okay, in the year 1947, we got independence.
Ma'am, someone announced that, right? Someone announced.
Yes. Okay, that we will study in this chapter. So after when we got independence, okay, in the year 1947, August 15th, okay, we have got independence. Okay, and after when we when we become independent, there were many problems faced by the leaders. Okay, there were many problems were faced by the by our leaders. Okay, so this chapter we will discuss, okay, what all problems are faced by the leaders after when we got independence, after our independence. Okay, and what are the solution, okay, our leaders find out to solve, okay, to solve all these issues. Okay, so all these details we will study in detail in this chapter. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, you already know, okay, what is mean by partition? What is mean by partition, children?
Dividing a country or area
Partition
into.
means
Dividing
okay.
one country into
Dividing.
two separate countries.
Partition means dividing
A country.
something into
Something in two parts.
Okay, and here partition of India. Okay, here it means that dividing one country
India.
to two different countries. Okay, dividing one country into two different countries. That is
The part
India and Pakistan.
east,
okay,
east
India
and west.
Pakistan. So partition.
And
What do you
Pakistan.
mean by partition, children? What do you mean by partition?
Dividing something into two parts. It's called partition.
Yeah, it is called partition.
Partition.
Okay, here it means that dividing
Something
into two
Ma'am, it is
countries.
still O.
Okay, dividing one country into two countries. That is, India was partitioned as India and Pakistan. Okay, India was partitioned as India
Pakistan.
and Pakistan.
Pakistan.
So children,
Pakistan.
let us study in detail why India, okay, need to be partitioned. What are the reason for the partition?
Yes,
of
ma'am.
India?
I know.
Okay. And what are the effects of the partition? Okay.
That's all we are learning in this chapter.
Yes, that all things we are
Yes, ma'am.
going to study.
We learned in the freedom struggle also, ma'am.
Yeah.
For all
Yes,
India
freedom
Muslim
struggle.
League wanted
Yes.
Yeah,
that part.
Congress split
To me,
in 1906.
Children,
Yes,
western
ma'am.
part, okay, western parts and eastern Bengal, okay, eastern part of Bengal was removed from India during the party. Okay,
Ma'am, this is Pakistan, right? First
wait.
picture.
Yes, wait. See, children, western parts, okay, and eastern part of Bengal. Okay, western parts and eastern part of Bengal was removed from India. See, children, this is the map of India before the partition, and this one is after the partition.
Pakistan here.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am, Pakistan.
Yes, ma'am. One more is ma'am. One more after the right.
Yes,
Bangladesh.
that is East Pakistan. Okay, East Pakistan.
Ma'am,
Okay. That
Bangladesh
is
was
after
not
sometimes it is renamed as Bangladesh.
Okay.
Okay, children. So just listen to me, children. Which all parts was removed from India? The western
Pakistan.
parts and
Eastern parts.
Bengal.
The eastern, western.
Okay,
This
the
partition.
western parts and the eastern part of Bengal was removed from India. Okay, and on 3rd June, okay, 1947, okay, partition was announced by Lord Mountbatten. Have you heard about him, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Mountbatten. Okay, Lord Mountbatten. He was the last viceroy. He was the last British general who announced the partition of India and Pakistan. Okay, Lord Mountbatten. I will write down the spelling. If you have the textbook, just note down the names, children.
Yes, ma'am. I had noted down that.
Yes.
Ma'am,
It was,
what is the
the-
name? Can you
it
once
was-
more repeat?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, he's British president, like that way.
Yes, a viceroy, British general. Okay, he was the last viceroy. Okay, and Mountbatten. His name was, tell me his name, children.
Mountbatten.
Okay, Mountbatten, 3rd June 1947. That means before we got independence. We have got independence on August 15th, right?
Yes. Yes,
Before
ma'am.
that itself, okay, before that itself, on 3rd June 1947, okay, Mountbatten announced that, yes,
Ma'am,
ah,
ma'am, Mountbatten is a name of person, right?
name of a British person.
Okay.
Name of a British person who announced the partition. Okay, who announced the British, means who announced the partition of India. Okay, who announced the partition. Okay, and he was the last viceroy. Last viceroy means that after that the Britishers left from here. Okay, left from India. Okay,
Okay.
so who was the person who announced the partition? Lord
Mountbatten.
Where's
Batten.
Okay, children, what do you mean by partition?
Ma'am,
divide
moving one
Dividing something into
two parts, dividing
okay,
it
here
into
it means
two
that dividing one country into two different countries.
countries,
Okay, here
Bangladesh and
dividing one country into two different countries. Okay, and who announced the partition?
The All India Muslim League.
No. Who announced the
Ma'am,
No,
echo is coming.
Mountbatten.
Lord Mountbatten?
Mountbatten.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Lord Mountbatten, who was the last viceroy of British India, okay, announced the partition of India. Okay, and the western parts, okay, and eastern half of Bengal was removed from Alangad. Nida Alangad, I won't give the attendance to you.
He's in flight, I think.
Tell me.
I think he's in a
That's
bus.
Muhammad Afam.
yes, airport any spice jet any.
Okay, children, listen to me. Lord Mountbatten, okay, he was the viceroy who announced the partition. Okay, is it clear?
No,
Is it clear?
ma'am, I didn't understand. That Lord.
Mountbatten.
Ma'am, is that Lord Batten?
Lord Mountbatten.
Lord, excuse me, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, this echo is coming. We can't understand.
wait.
Yes, ma'am. The echo is coming, ma'am. Okay.
Oh,
Ma'am, now it's okay, ma'am.
okay.
And now it's
Okay, children. So, Lord Mountbatten, okay, he was the last viceroy of British India. He announced the partition of India. Okay, on 3rd June 1947.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
All India Muslim League said to announce that.
No, yeah, there are some reasons for the partition. Okay, that we will discuss after this.
Okay,
Who announced the partition? That is Lord Mountbatten. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of viceroy?
The see, Lord Mountbatten.
Lord, that, okay.
Okay, Lord Mountbatten. Okay, Mountbatten was the name of the viceroy who announced the partition. Okay, children. And the western, okay, see children, you can see from the map, okay, the western parts and eastern part of Bengal was removed from India at the time of, yes, at the time of partition.
Partition.
Yes.
Partition.
And you know, children, the reasons why he announced the partition, the reasons we are going to study in detail. The divide and rule policy of the British. Divide and rule policy. What do you mean by divide and rule policy?
Partition and the rules of that partition.
rules and laws, the injustice rules and laws.
What do you mean by divide? Divide. What do you mean by divide?
Divide means cutting into pieces.
See, children, here it
Separating,
means that separating. Okay, here it means that the Britishers tried to separate the Hindus and the Muslims in India. Okay, that you mean by divide and rule policy of the Britishers. The Hindus, the Britishers, they tried their maximum to create problems among the Hindus and the Muslims.
Muslim.
Okay, that is one of the main reason. What is the policy, children? The divide and rule policy. Okay, the divide and
Policy of the
policy of the
rule
British.
policy.
Yes, that led to the creation of two different countries. Okay, see children, in 1947, in the year 1947, British Governor General, okay, that is Lord Mountbatten, announced the partition of India into India and Pakistan.
And
Okay.
partition of
The
British
reason
India
why the
into
partition
India,
has
right?
take place. Okay, why the partition was happened? That is the divide and rule policy of the British. The divide and rule policy of the British. Okay, divide and rule policy means that. Tell me, children, what do you mean by divide and rule policy? The British is
They
always
want to separate the Hindus
They
and
want to
Muslims.
separate Hindus and Muslims.
Muslims. They always try to create rivalry among these sections.
Ma'am, rivalry means what, ma'am?
Hmm?
You told, right? Rivalry means what, ma'am?
Rivalry means enmity. Okay, they always try to create, means they become enemies. Hindus and the Muslims in India,
Yes,
they become enemies. Okay,
They want to fight.
the Britishers, yeah, they wanted, okay, they wanted these two sections as means as to be divided. Okay, so they tried to create problems intensely, means purposefully they created problems among these two sections. Okay, and during this time we have discussed that the formation of All India Muslim League. Do you remember, your children?
Yes, ma'am.
Which year
Yes, All India
1906.
Muslim.
was formed?
1906.
Very good. In
1906.
the year 1906. Ah, yes. The All India Muslim League was formed. And you know who is the leader of this party?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
See, children, just note it down. Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
Muhammad Ali Jinnah, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, in a rough book?
It is there in the textbook. If you have
Yes,
the
ma'am.
textbook,
Yes, ma'am.
you just
I
mark.
have, ma'am, textbook.
All are there, the textbook.
Yes. So the formation of All India Muslim League was happened in the year 1906. Okay, in the 1906, a new political party that has promised to work for the benefit of the Muslims. Okay, this
Yes,
All
ma'am,
India
they can
Muslim
do whatever
League,
you want.
yes, they worked for the benefit of the Muslims.
Muslim.
Yeah. And who was the leader, children? Muhammad
Muhammad
Ali.
Ali Jinnah.
Okay, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the
Muhammad
leader of
Ali Jinnah.
Muslim League,
And
demanded
separate nation for
separate
Muslim.
nation for the Muslims.
It is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, right?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Mm.
It
Yes,
is
yes.
Muhammad Ali Jinnah, right?
Oh. Okay, so children, this year, okay, after 1906, in the year 1906, before we go to independence itself, a new political party, that was Indian National Congress. After Indian National Congress, the new political party, that was All India
All
Muslim
India
League.
Muslim
Okay, it was formed
Yeah,
in the
Muslim League.
1906, and they promised to work for the benefit of the Muslims. Okay, and who was their leader? Muhammad
Ali Jinnah.
Okay, Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the leader of Muslim League. Demanded a separate nation for the Muslim. They demanded a separate country for the Muslims. Okay, is it clear, children? Is this point clear?
Yes,
to you?
ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will study what are the causes. Okay, what are the causes for the partition?
Causes of partition.
Yes, the first cause for the partition, that nothing else, that is related to religion. Okay, religious
Yes,
concern.
ma'am.
Okay, the reason
Hindus
that
are
and
temple.
already we have discussed it
concern.
before, the Britishers tried to remove traditional Arabic and
Sanskrit school. Promoted English
And they
education.
promoted English
We
education.
studied that in Revolt of
Yes,
1857.
already we have discussed before itself. Okay, the main reason for the outbreak of the reason for the partition, the first reason is a religious concern. Religious concern means that the
Ma'am,
British.
I have a doubt.
Ask me, Ahil.
How did the British got this Urdu language and all?
Arabic, no, they removed Arabic and Sanskrit.
Okay.
Arabic and Sanskrit was our traditional languages. Okay, that means Sanskrit for the Hindu. Sanskrit was the language used by the Hindus, and Arabic was for the Muslims.
Muslims.
Okay, so
Now what's there, ma'am?
Britishers, they tried to remove. What do you mean by remove?
To make it back.
Yes. Okay, they tried to remove the traditional Arabic and Sanskrit schools. What do you mean by traditional, children?
It's old, ma'am.
Traditional.
Okay, so this Hindus and the Muslims, they were,
Dance and all you will tell.
studying.
Ma'am, Sanskrit schools. It is Sanskrit school.
Yeah, Sanskrit. And they promoted, the Englishers, they tried to promote English education. Okay, so this was not like, this was not liked by our people. Okay, our people do not like this. Okay, and so the Britishers thought, the Muslims thought that if they live in a separate area, okay, the Muslims thought that if they live in a separate area, they could control education. Okay, they could control education.
No, ma'am.
Children, before to the points, children, what do you mean by partition?
Divide.
Partition means dividing into two parts.
Okay, here it is called dividing one country into two different countries, two parts. Okay, and when was India partitioned? After when we got our independence. And who announced the partition?
Mountbatten.
Lord Mountbatten, the last viceroy. Okay, and on 3rd June 1947, he announced that India will be partitioned as India and Pakistan. Okay, and which all parts was removed from India?
Eastern part of Bengal and
Eastern part of Bengal. Okay, western parts and eastern half of Bengal was removed from India.
India.
Okay, yes.
And named as Bangladesh and Pakistan.
Okay, it was named as Pakistan. And what was the main reason, okay, for the partition? Divide and rule. Divide and rule policy of the British.
Continued violence.
Okay, the divide and rule policy of the Britishers. What do you mean by divide and rule policy, children?
Dividing two
British want to
countries like
separate that India and
want to separate the Hindus and the Muslims.
Among the Hindus and the Muslims. Okay, they always try to create problems among the Hindus and the Muslims. Okay, and so that was the main reason for the partition. Okay, that was the main reason for the partition. Okay, and one of the main reason for the partition, that is religious concern. Okay,
religion like
religion. Okay,
some
that
religions
means
in
for the there was a new political party, that was All India Muslim, was formed during 1906. Okay, and this political party worked for the benefit of the Muslims. Okay, this party tried to support the Muslims. Okay, I have told you they are the minority religion. I have told you what you mean by minority.
that
Less number of.
So they try to protect the right of this minority people or minority section. Okay, and they demanded, this Muslim League demanded a separate nation, okay, separate country for them. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And one of the main reason, okay, that is religious concern. Okay, that we will explain, we will discuss more in the next class. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.